Welcome once again. Here we need to write 120 as product of its prime factors. So method 1 is where we start with any factor pair and only circle, and number 1 is a prime number. So any factor pair of your choice, so 10 times 12, somebody can start with 2 and 60. Any factor pair works as long as it goes through, it multiplies to give 120. We realize 10 is not a prime from the numbers here, 12 is not a prime, so we need to break each of them. So I'm going to break 10. Possible pair is only 2 and 5. Remember, never use 1. So 2 times 5 is 10, and we check 2 and 5 are prime, so we circle it, so this side is ended. Let's look at 12. What times what makes 12? So many possibilities. You can choose 2 times 6 or 3 times 4. So I've chosen 2 times 6. 2 is a prime, so I need to break 6. 2 times 3 is the only option, and they are all prime. Now I've got all the numbers to be prime. Therefore, I'll write the product of these prime from ascending order. And that gives me 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. And I can also write it in an index form as 2 cubed times 3 times 5. Now the second method is where you always divide the number by a prime number. So starting with 20, think of a prime number that can divide, 2 can divide, 3 can divide, 5 can divide. So it's a matter of choice. So 3 times what is 120? 3 times 40. Now 40, I'm going to choose 5. 5 times what is 40? 5 times 8. Then I'm going to break 8 because 8 is not a prime. 2 times what is 8? 2 times 4. 4 is not a prime, so I'm going to break 4 into 2 times 2. And as usual, all the prime numbers that are circled needs to be written in the product form. And that gives us the same answer as before. So choose whichever is convenient to you. And in index form, we have this. Okay. So in our next slide, we'll be talking about how to use LCM, prime factors, to work out LCM and HCF using the Venn diagram method.